Over the past couple of months, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been making a comeback. So, should you invest? Let's go through those numbers and talk about it. Coming up. Welcome back to the Jeremy Kersten Show. Every episode we talk about business, entrepreneurship, investing, and personal growth. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and a few other coins and how their prices have come up over the past few months and how you can get started if you have not started investing in them already. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this kind of content, smash that like button and share this with one friend. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell down in the corner so you can be notified each time we upload a new episode. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, here we are on Coinbase.com. Now, if you're not familiar with Coinbase, that is the #1 place, largest company where the United States could go and invest in cryptocurrencies. Now, they don't offer all of the cryptocurrencies, only a number of them, but it's just kind of a great way to get started anyways. So the first one I guess we're going to talk about is Bitcoin. Everybody's heard of Bitcoin. It's the most popular one, the most dominant one, the one with the largest market capitalization of right now, currently $95 billion. But, you know, and we all remember when it was going crazy and had that all-time high. Coinbase says it's 17.1 thousand. Some other exchanges would say 19. But anyways, over just the past month, we've had an increase of 39%. So that's pretty good, return on just 1 month. Over the year though, from this time last year, we're down 40%. So, just kind of be careful. I mean, we all remember this, like I said, big high right here, 17. And, but the crypto has done this before. It's done its big ups and then come back down and then come up and, it's right back down again. So generally overall, you can kind of decide if it's something you want to do. If it is, again, 40% a month is pretty good. But if you are interested, down below in the description, I'm going to have some links where you can go and sign up for Coinbase. And I think they're still doing it where you get an extra, they'll give you a $5 for signing up. Be sure to hit that link down in the description below. The second one we're going to take a look at is Litecoin. This is the one that I got started on with no particular reason why, I guess. I suppose I liked where the price was when I purchased. I purchased back in 2017, right before it really went big and mainstream. And I made a little bit of money, and then it kind of went back down. So sort of pretty much broke even, thank goodness. But $71 right now. In the past month, we're looking at a 23% increase on the price. It's pretty good as far as the overall. In the past year though, down 50%. But overall, all time, you're up 104%. So, just take that information, do your own due diligence. Another one, popular one's Ripple. I never invested in Ripple, but over the month, you're down just a little bit. Over the past week, you're down 13%. Over the past year, you're down 61%. So I don't know, kind of sounds a little rough right now, but again, Bitcoin, this whole market to me is a little speculative. That's why I've really sold everything that I had and kind of got out. I just, Warren Buffett's famous for saying, don't invest in something you don't understand. While as I think everybody thought they wanted to understand cryptocurrencies, it's a pretty complex issue. And is it ever going to take off and become mainstream? And even if it does, is the value really going to go up for each coin? I don't know. I don't know enough to say yes or no either way. I'm just kind of showing you what's going on lately. Now, Ethereum is another one we're going to take a look at. It's another popular one. And each one of these coins, by the way, kind of serves their own purpose and point. They're what they call white papers. The business model description sort of behind it can teach you a little bit more about that. So go and check out that research if you like. But Ethereum, just in the past month, has a 23% increase. That's a pretty good return. In the week though, you're down 6. I think it was this morning. Yeah, everything kind of went back down pretty hard, but maybe that means it's a good buying opportunity for you. So take a look at that. The 1 year, you're down 73%. And the last one we're going to take a look at is the Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash just had a phenomenal month at 74%. I mean, that's huge. I'm not really sure what the reasoning behind that is. Sometimes there is one and sometimes there's not. You know, just things are a little different in this crypto market. It's very Wild West, as they say. It could be because maybe a large entity kind of started accepting them for some reason. I know a buddy of mine who is into the online gambling niche says that he made his transactions through Bitcoin Cash. So quite possibly that and things like that are the reason why it's been very dominant this past month. 74% is fantastic rate of return. This week though, you know, you're down 13. So I mean, think about it. Just last week, if you put in, you know, you've already lost 13% of your investment. So you got to be really careful in this, man. It's super volatile. But you know, if you think that being down here in this bottom end is a great opportunity for you, then by all means, you know, go for it. You're down 35% from the all-time. I'm sorry, that wouldn't be from all-time highs. That would be from, you know, this time. Well, all-time. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're down 35% from the beginning of its inception. Put it that way, because when it came out, I mean, it kind of actually had a pretty decent value. But again, you know, up 74%. So I do like that. That's a little nice. Here's your all-time high. Sorry, 3,500. But yeah, Coinbase is definitely a great place to get started. There's a number of ways that you can actually put in your money into Coinbase. You know, you can do a direct deposit through your bank account. That takes a little bit longer to get the funds over, or you can do a faster transaction through like a Visa debit card, which there's minimal small, you know, fees associated with that. And I'm not going to go into those fees and everything. It's not really worth, you know, like losing sleep over, because the return on these investments is so great that, you know, a 2% fee or something is, you know, not much. But again, you know, fees do add up. If you're a pretty active trader, maybe that's something to pay attention to. So again, down in the description below, I'm going to put some links for you to check out Coinbase. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Be sure to also hit the notification bell so you can be notified each time we upload a new episode. If you want to check out more content, you can watch this video here, this one down here, or go visit the channel page by clicking my face right here. Be sure to click the link down below for Coinbase if you want to get free $5. And until next time, take care.